Shri Kumarswami, Mahavidyalaya, Ausa, District Latur in Maharashtra State, is organized an international e-conference. It's a daily webinar series. For today's session on the dais, the keynote speaker is with us, Honorable Dr. Komal Rawat, ma'am. So first of all, I heartily welcome to you, madam, for this session. I welcome the chief organizer of the series, our ideal principal, Dr. M. Bedkar, sir, and also welcome to all those dear attendees. The topic for today's presentation is AI in commerce, that is artificial intelligence in commerce. Now the topic is going to present, as I have mentioned, the keynote speaker, Dr. Komal Rawat, ma'am. She is an assistant professor at St. Aloysius College of Autonomous from Jabalpur, Madhya Pradesh. So with this brief introduction, now I request you, madam, please start your presentation on today's topic, AI in commerce. You are most welcome.
Sir, is it visible?
Yes, madam. Please continue. Okay, you are welcome.
So very good. Hello.
Yes, ma'am, you are audible.
Okay, so a very pleasant good evening to all the dignitaries present over here. First of all, I would like to give my sincere thanks to Bedkar sir for giving me this wonderful opportunity to take the lecture on the topic artificial intelligence in commerce. So thank you once again, sir. So as we all know that we have various technologies, we are using them and we know them, we are familiar with them. So that means we all can be called as techno-friendly. So in today's digital age, the technologies, they have transformed the way we live, we work and we shop. Particularly when we talk about the commerce, so there is the digital revolution which is integrated by artificial intelligence. So AI commerce, it refers to the use of the various technologies of the artificial intelligence in the field of the commerce, because we have to streamline the processes, we have to enhance the customer experiences, and we have to increase the efficiency. So from the chatbots to the predictive business analytics and personalization, the artificial intelligence, it is integrated into the various aspects of the e-commerce to make the shopping experience easier and more convenient for the customers. But the question arises that what is this artificial intelligence? So this AI, it is the set of the techniques which enables the computers to mimic the human behavior. And when these technologies, they are used in the field of the commerce, they are known as AI commerce. So this artificial intelligence, it has changed the scenario of the business. So we cannot ignore the role of the AI in the commerce, because after the using of the artificial intelligence in the commerce, we can see there is the revolution in the field of the commerce. Like the artificial intelligence, it is recommending us the products. Like if we have to purchase any product, it is recommending us, it is suggesting us. So because of this AI, we are automating, we are simplifying, and we are optimizing the various processes and the functions of the business. Now, in this today's lecture, we are going to discuss the various aspects or the areas where the artificial intelligence, it can be used. Like these are the areas where we can use the AI in the commerce, like the handling the customer data, inventory management, customer relationship management, chatbots, image and voice search, recommendation system, after sale service, sales improvement, and pricing optimization. So these are the various areas where the AI is doing very well in the field of the commerce. Now let's start one by one. Now, the first significance of the AI is it is helping us in handling the customer data. But what is the need of handling the customer data? Like why we are using the AI for the handling and maintaining the customer data? So, as if we go back 50 or 100 years, we can see the business it was conducted at a very small scale, right? So like very few number of the customers we had and very less number of the varieties the products they had and they were buying. So it was possible for one person to physically handle the data, like in the register they were maintaining the data. But if we talk about the present time, yes, so we have numerous number of the customers and we have endless list of the products. So in today's time, we can see that every person they have the different likes, dislikes, their needs, their preference, they all have changed. Like we have color choices. So like the businesses, they have to maintain the product according to the color choice of the customers, right? We have many customers, like we have the different age groups. So like for the one person it is not possible, like if we want to handle them physically it is not possible. So like in this field how we can manage this endless list of the product and the data. And if you want to know about the daily sales, like per day, how many products you are selling, right? And what is the volume of your sales every day? So you have to know everything because you have to run the business for the profit purpose. So in this situation, the artificial intelligence it is helping us. Like we have various technologies, and for the one person it is easy, like with the help of the techniques we are entering the data of the customers, and randomly if you want to select anyone you can collect the data, you can analyze the report, and per day sales or the total number of the items sold in per day or week wise or 15 days basis or the monthly, or the number of the orders you have received in a particular area, like according to the locality, according to the city wise or the state wise or the country wise. If you want to know the total financial data of your business, easily you can know with the help of the artificial intelligence. And the next is like when we are using the artificial intelligence for maintaining the data, it is also helping you in understanding the consumer behavior and their buying pattern. Now, the question is, what is this consumer behavior? So, like behavior, we all know that like your reaction to anything, it is known as the behavior. When we talk about the consumer behavior, so consumer behavior that means like when a new product comes to the market, how do you react to that product? Like do you think about for buying that product, or you don't want to buy that product, or you are deciding to buy but you want to buy in near future? Yes, so this is known as your consumer behavior, that how you are responding to a product, how you are reacting to a product. Then the next is buying pattern. Buying pattern that means how frequently you are buying. Are you buying on regular basis? Yes sir.
You continue, madam.
Okay.
You continue, please.
Okay. So buying pattern that means like how frequently you are buying. So are you buying on regular basis or rarely or occasionally you are buying? So AI is helping the businesses to understand this thing. Like if you are buying a particular product every day, if you are buying, so the AI is predicting that in near future you will buy the same thing. So, according to your buying pattern, it is planning the strategy. That means it is showing you the product that you need this product because every day you are buying. Then the next is it is helping us in decision making process and predicting the future buying of the customers. Yes. So if any company, if it is having this kind of the data, it can plan for the future. Like it will help a company in making a particular decision. Like the company has to maintain the inventory. So according to the buying pattern of the consumer, the company can maintain this thing. So AI is helping the particular company in maintaining the data, and it is also helping the company in doing a particular decision about the product. Next area is inventory management, where the artificial intelligence it is used. And how it is doing, it is the answer of these five things which is showing on the screen, like the who. So who bought or supplied the goods? So the company should have this answer, like who is your supplier or the distributor of your raw material or any finished product which is supplied to you. Yes, you should have all the data. The next, what products are involved? That means what is the nature of the product which a consumer is buying? Like it may be a perishable product or it may be a technological product. So what kind of the product, you should have the complete understanding. Then where are your goods located? That means where is your storage, like your godown or your warehouse? What is the locality of this? Then when do you need to be received or the delivered? So it is showing the time period when the customer demands a product and why did the transaction happen. Like you are doing this for money or anything else, or on the credit you are doing this. So inventory management, like with the help of the technology of the artificial intelligence, what we are doing, we are managing the data. We are managing the details of the supplier or the distributors, or the time requirement of the consumer, or in the storage, how many products do you have, or where you have to deliver this. So the artificial intelligence, it is helping in this. Now the next, how it is helping. So it is helping us to understand how much inventory we are holding and how much more is needed. Yes. So at present, what is your inventory level? That means the minimum level or the maximum level, right? So, like every day, how much minimum units you are selling? You should have this kind of data. Then how much more is needed? So like if any order comes, so do you have the required product in your storage? So the technology of the artificial intelligence, they are helping you to find out these things. Then AI system builds a correlation between the current demand and the future demand. Yes, we can see that sometimes the product's price, they are increasing. Why? Because there is the not supplying of the product. So when there is a shortage of the product, the price will go up. So what the company should do, they should establish the correlation. Correlation, that means the balance between the current demand. Like for an example, the current demand, it is the 100 units. Yes, and actually, what do you have in your storage? It is only 80 units. So that means that 20, it is the imbalance. Now the next, it is about the future demand. So like the every day you are selling 100, like in future, how many units you are going to sell? So the artificial intelligence, it help you to establish a link between the current and the future demand. Now, the next is the customer relationship management, which is known as CRM, and it is very new trend in the marketing. Like the CRM, it tells you that it is a kind of the approach or the system which tells us that we should have the friendly relation with our customer. We should have the good relation with our customer. We have to establish this. So the CRM system, it is helping us to establish the good relation, because the customer is the king of the market. So if your customer is satisfied, your business will grow. Now the artificial intelligence, it is helping us to build a good relation with the customers. Like it is having some kind of the software, as you can see on the screen. Like when we are going to buy a product, like in the shopping complexes, malls are there, and we are going there, we are buying, we are selecting a product, and when we are going for the billing counter, you can see that they are asking you some details like your name, your email addresses, and your contact details, or any your birth date or any anniversary date they are asking you. So there is a software in which the person who is there at the bill counter, they are collecting your details and they are entering in the software. So that means the company has a good records of the customers. So there is the software, there is the technology of the artificial intelligence which is helping us to maintain the record. Now what is the benefit of this record? Like in future, if any offer comes, the company is informing you, and if there is any kind of the financial benefit, the company is giving you. So this is the CRM software which is working. Now we have some benefits of maintaining this kind of the records, like the personal details of the consumer. You can see many details the company is collecting us, and the company is also collecting your search history. Like if you have searched something, the company is collecting your history. Now the next is loyalty cards. So loyalty cards, that means loyalty cards, they are directly connected with the CRM system. As like if we are going in the Reliance trend and they are giving you some kind of the card, yes, west side they are giving you the card, these cards are known as the loyalty cards. So loyalty cards, that means like the loyalty card, it refers to some cards which is given to the regular customers, as like when the customer is continuously or constantly buying from a company, right? In this situation, it tells us that the customer is loyal to the company. So when the customer is loyal to a particular brand or the company should appreciate that particular customer. That means the loyal customer. So like they are giving you the cards, and if the cards is there, again and again you are buying, so their points are added and they are converted into the money. So their monetary benefits is given to you. So, what is the benefit of the CRM? Like for us, what is the benefit? Like when we are giving our personal details, any new offer is coming in the company is directly texting the message to us. Like for an example, in the Domino's, if you are going and you are giving your details, next time when any offer like buy one get one free, if the offer comes, then the company informs you by your email or by your message. And as like the company is maintaining the customer relationship. Yes, so the artificial intelligence, it is also helping the businesses to maintain the good relation with the customers. As you can see on the screen, there are many people, they all are different from each other. Yes, we all are different from each other. We belong to the different religion, different customers, different age group, different educational level, different income level, but overall we can say there is a similarity, and the similarity it is that we all are buyers, we all are consumers. So the artificial intelligence by the way of the CRM, it is helping the companies to increase the customer value and their profitability. So if any company is working for the customer value, that company is known as the well-known company. Now the database of the history of the buying products and their services, they are used for identifying the target consumers. Yes, there are many consumers and they are buying from the same company. But who is the target customer for the company? This data, it is helping. Now, the target customers, it is directly connected with the market segmentation. Actually, the market segmentation, it is a process in which we divide the market into the small groups. Like as you can see on the screen, there are the three colors like red, blue, and sky blue. So these people, they are standing in one group. That means we can say that they all are showing the different colors. So these different colors, it is showing their different requirements, or the different age group, or the different educational level, or their income level. So a company, it cannot adopt the same strategy or the same policy for satisfying all of them. So because of this, the company has to, make some groups as like the red. It is kept in one group, then blue, then sky blue. So they all are kept in one group. That means the similar requirements people, they can be treated in one group, and this group, it is known as the segment, like the segment A, segment B, and segment C. So this process, the dividation process, it is known as the market segmentation. Now the next is the target marketing. After dividing into the different groups, the next, the company will see that which group is giving more profit to the company. According to this, the company will select that particular group as the target market or the target group, or you can say that the people in that particular group, they can be known as the target customers. So by having all the details of the customers, the company can do this market segmentation process and easily identify that which is the target group for the company. Because according to the target group, the company can focus more on that particular group, because that group can give more profitability opportunity to the company. Now the next is chatbots. Yes. So many times we need many information, because we have many transactions, we have many information, many purpose we may have, and for this we have to visit new websites. But sometimes we don't have the complete information of the websites. So in this situation, what we will do? We'll go to the website, and when we see that incomplete information, or if we have incomplete knowledge in the situation, we will switch one website and we will go to the another website. So the companies, they have identified this problem, right? In this situation, what the company has introduced, the company has taken help from the artificial intelligence. And in this, you can see like there is one pop-up window, one chat box. It will appear on the website of the particular company, and when you go to the website, you can see the chat box is there. And this with the help of the artificial intelligence, one assistant will be there, and it is asking you that do you need any help or any kind of the problem are you facing. So like they are helping you in visiting the website or any kind of the product if you need. So they are helping. So artificial intelligence, it is helping us in this kind of searching. Now the next is image and voice search. Yes, what is the image and voice search? Like many of us, sometimes we don't have complete, information or any materialistic data by which we can use that thing, and we can search that we need. Yes. So in this situation, the companies, they have introduced the image and voice search option. In this situation, like if you want to buy a product, but you don't know the exact name of that particular product, or you don't have any complete information, but you have some image, right? So what you can do, you can directly upload that image on the website, and in the situation, the company can help you, like the technology, it can assist you to go that particular product which actually you were needed. So this is called as image search. By uploading the image, we can go and go to that particular product and we can buy. So this is also helping us to understand the buyer's behavior. Like it is also helping us in showing the product. Like you have the pointer, you can directly point towards that product and you can search this. Then the next is voice search. What is the voice search? Like many people, if they are illiterate, or if they don't don't know how to use the technology, like for an example, mobile phone. If I don't know how to use the mobile phone, so in this situation, the voice search is there, and I can directly use the search. I can directly speak, and the result will be there on my window, right? Like if I want to know the recipe of any particular dish, in the situation, I can do the voice search and the recipe will be appearing on my window. If I want to listen any song, but I don't want to type, right? It is also saving my time, energy, all things. So in this situation, I can directly speak and I can do the voice search, and directly the result will be there. So this process, it is eliminating the need for the keyword search. Like, it is not required to do the typing. The next is recommendation system. Yes, we all are having this, but we don't know that artificial intelligence is doing this. Like a recommendation system, that means there is some technology and it is helping you, it is suggesting you that which kind of the product you can see or you can buy. So it is called as the recommendation system. Like, for an example, if I have to take admission in any higher education institute, but I don't know. Okay, so if I'm searching once, like if one or two organization, if I have seen, next time whenever I will go to the website or any like on the Google, so this artificial intelligence, it is suggesting you that you can see this institute also. Yes. So as like this is called as the recommendation system. That means it is analyzing your past search, whatever you have searched, your previous search. It is observing, it is analyzing, and according to your search, it is recommending you that you can also see this kind of the product, and also for the products which you have recently purchased. Like, for an example, if you have purchased laptop recently, so with the laptop you may also need pen drive or any hard disk, right? In this situation, the artificial intelligence, it is showing you the different companies pen drive or the hard disk, which can help you in your further buying. So this is called as the recommendation system. Now, the next is after sales service. So, after sales service, it is the key for the customer satisfaction, and the companies, they are using this after sales service. So, what is the after sales service? That means when the companies, they have sold a product, finally they have sold this product to the customer. After the final sale, if the company, it is offering you different kinds of the service, it is known as after sales service. Yes. So what is the need of the after sales service? Because every one of us, before buying a product, we have some kind of expected satisfaction. Expected satisfaction, that means we will assume that, like, after buying a particular laptop, I may use it for the different purpose. Yes. So we may have different kind of expected satisfaction, but after buying a product, when we are using the product, we may have actual satisfaction. So if there is a gap between this expected and the actual satisfaction, there are the more chances of dissatisfaction of the customers. Yes. If the actual satisfaction, if it is according to the expected, that means the customer will be happy. If your customer is happy, that means he or she will buy more product from your company, and they will also give positive feedback about your services. So the customer services, they may be excellent, they may be very good, good, average, or they may be very poor. Yes. So all the companies, they are using this after sales services, and they are giving after sales services free of cost. That means majority, they are giving free of cost. Now, how the artificial intelligence, it is helping the companies in providing after sales services. Okay, so we will discuss this, but we have many kinds of the after sales services, like the installation. Yes. Like if I have purchased any inverter, so I need the installation. So installation, it is free of cost. Like the company, from the company, one technician is coming and he or she is installing. So user training or the documentation or the routine maintenance and emergency repair, online support, warranty, part supply, and upgrades, or you can say like free home delivery. It is also the after sale services. So the after sale services, that means after the final sale, if the company is giving you some kind of the services, they can be called as the after sale services. So the after sales services, it is also used with some technology. Yes, like the companies, they are giving you free services. If you have purchased any four-wheeler or two-wheeler, any vehicle, if you have purchased, so like after the 1 year or up to the 1 year, they will give you free services. So the company has to maintain the record of such customers who have purchased any vehicle from the company, and they like the company is going to provide free services up to the 1 year. So in this situation, the company has to maintain this record. Yes, and for the company, like physically it is not possible for the company to maintain all the records. Like one service we have given to this customer, and the next customer we have to give the second service. So these kind of the different records the company has to maintain. And sometimes we have many query. So the company is going to redress our query, our problems. In the situation, we have to file, we have to request to the company. We have to do some kind of inquiry, and then the company is going to solve our problem. So this all service management system, it is a foolproof end-to-end network, and by which the company can be in touch with the customer. So in this situation, the technology of the artificial intelligence, they are helping the company to maintain and to solve all the problems of the customers. Now, the next is sales improvement. Yes, the business, why they are doing the business? Because we have to earn the profit. So every business is done for maximization of the profit. So in this situation, what we have to do, we have to analyze. What we have to analyze? We have to analyze our past sales records. Yes. And according to this, we have to predict like the how much we are going to sell in the future. So that means there is a need to have the trend analysis. Okay. So like there is a need of the study of the previous data. So, like in the last 5 years, how much we have sold. If a particular product is giving you the profit and the sale is continuously increasing, that means the company can go for that particular product and expand its business. Yes. But if the product is giving loss to the company, the product should be stopped. So, in this situation, with the help of the technology of the artificial intelligence, we can easily generate the previous records, and according to this, we can predict like what will be the future business. So, like every one of us, we are buying with the latest product. So we are going with the latest trends, and the company should analyze. The company should identify what is latest trend in the business. According to this, the company has to allocate its resources. So if the product it has changed, or the customers they don't want this existing product, so in the situation, the company has to modify this product or it has to be changed. So with the records, with the prediction, we can do this thing. And after analyzing the trend, we can make the proper strategy which will help us to improve our sales. Now the next is price optimization. So we have to always decide a right price. So this is the technique to stay longer in the market. So price optimization, in the situation also, the technology of the artificial intelligence, it is helping us, because what is the right price? If we know about this, the right price, that means the price at which the consumers they want to buy your product. The next is the price which is good for you, like for the company it is giving the profit. That means if the price which is affordable to the customer and which is giving profit to the company, that price it is known as the right price for the company. So when we are going to determine the right price, we have to understand the market trends. That means your consumers, yes, what is their income level, how much they can pay. Like if they belong to the low income group, you have to decide very low price. If they belong to the middle class, that means according to their income, you have to determine the price. If they belong to the high income class, so you can determine the higher price. So according to their income, earning capacity or paying capacity or their purchasing power, you can decide the price. Yes. So when you have all the records of this thing, you can determine the market trends, and according to this, you can determine the price. But whenever we are going with the price determination, we should also compare with our competitors. That means the firms which are already there in the market. So you should also understand that your competitors, what they are determining, like that means what, how much they are fixing. So if they are deciding low price, definitely you have to go according to them, because if they decide low price and if we decide high price, the customers, they will go to that particular company and they will buy from them. Then the customer demands, so according to the demand you have to determine the price. If your product has great demand, so you can decide high price. But if your product demand is already low, so in this situation you will go with the low price. So in all these situations, the artificial intelligence is helping the companies. So in all, we can say the artificial intelligence, it is very good for all the businesses, all the companies, but there are many challenges. Like if the companies, they are implementing the technologies of the artificial intelligence, we have many challenges. Like for an example, the cost. If you are buying the techniques, you have to pay more. If you have the budget, if your financial status is good, if you have good resources, then you can go, otherwise it is not good. So for the larger scale companies it is very good, but for the smaller scale it's not good. And the technology, so the technology compatibility, you should also analyze this, because with the existing system, is it compatible to introduce the new technology? Next is, if artificial intelligence is used in the companies, it is, keeping your data. So the companies, they should introduce such a system which can maintain the privacy of the customers. Okay. So thank you all. If you have any queries, you can ask.
Thank you so much, ma'am, for the wonderful presentation. Now it's time for interaction with the resource person. Participants are kindly requested, if you have any query or would like to share or enlighten something, please come ahead, dear participants. Welcome, Swanand Shukla, sir, please.
Hello, good evening, Dr. Bedkar sir, Principal sir, Prashant sir, and good evening, ma'am.
Good evening.
Wonderful presentation you have made on AI and commerce, and especially the business management. I think AI will be playing a very vital role, what I feel, as per your description, what you had given. So I think starting from the production to the consumer, it will play a role, and in the commerce also it plays a role. What I feel, the feedbacks what we get, that also, AI will monitor, and that will give us a direction to our business, because our business should be a spiral. It should not be a circle where we are moving at one place only. So I think AI will help in to move in a spiral way and think progressively. That is one thing what I feel. And even it will help us to find out the vendors, who are not cooperating, or they can identify, these are the latecomers, these are the they are very proactive. So I think it becomes very easy to identify them, and I think it has a lot meaning in a commerce and business. So thank you very much, ma'am. Thank you very much for your presentation. My question is very important question is there, that when we are talking about AI nowadays, the apps are there, for accounts and other places. So, are we going to involve this AI in various apps? So the apps will be available for us, and then we can work out. Like I'm a medical professional, and if I will start using it, I will make an inventory, I will make a medicinal list, and all those things, and how it will be applicable for me. That is what I'm thinking of from my point of view. So please elaborate on this. Thank you.
You can use, thank you, sir. You can use the different apps which are available. Like you can see that it is not only for the commerce, it is different apps and technologies, they are also for the different areas. Like for the research we have chatbots and different Geminis, different apps are there. So the artificial intelligence, like the proper training is should be there, and you can use them for maintaining your records or the accounts which you want to keep with which you want to maintain the record according to your requirements. So like more training conferences should be there, and the different things are there which we may know, and which we the proper awareness program should be there, that you can use. Yes sir.
Thank you, ma'am.
Thank you sir.
Jaivir Singh sir, please.
जी सभी को नमस्ते। मैडम मेरा एक सवाल है
जी
कि
सर।
एक खरीदो और एक फ्री, ये पॉलिसी बहुत जगह होती है। ऐसा कौन सा फार्मूला रहता है कि कंपनी, इसके पीछे राज क्या है कि कंपनी एक ऊपर एक फ्री कैसे दे सकती है? कोई तो रीजन रहा होगा।
सर एक बार रिपीट करेंगे आप?
बहुत सारे प्रोडक्ट मार्केट में आते हैं।
जी सर।
वही चीज एक के ऊपर एक फ्री करते हैं।
हाँ जी।
बाकी समय में नहीं करते। तो
जी
ऐसा कौन सा इसके पीछे कारण छुपा है कि कोई भी कंपनी अपना नुकसान तो चाहेगी नहीं, या फिर कंपनी इतना कमाती है कि उनको कुछ प्रभाव नहीं पड़ता?
सर बिल्कुल, लाइक जो भी हम देखते हैं कि बाय वन गेट वन फ्री, तो कंपनी की कुछ स्ट्रैटेजीज रहती है। जैसे आपने मार्केट में भी देखा होगा कि बाय वन गेट वन फ्री कंपनी क्यों आपको ये ऑफर देना चाहेगी, बिकॉज कोई भी कंपनी जो है लाइक दे विल नॉट टॉक अबाउट देयर लॉस। सो लाइक कुछ ऐसे प्रोडक्ट्स होते हैं जिनकी डिमांड बहुत कम होती है, नंबर वन। तो अगर उनकी डिमांड कम है देन द कंपनी दे शुड डू मोर वर्क फॉर देयर इंक्रीज ऑफ देयर डिमांड। तो लाइक अगर उनकी डिमांड इंक्रीज करनी है तो हमें कुछ ऑफर लाने होंगे। सेकेंड ये कि अगर कोई प्रोडक्ट ऐसा है जो नियरेस्ट टू द एक्सपायरी है ना, लाइक आफ्टर 15 days, 1 month, 2 months, 3 months, अगर कोई प्रोडक्ट एक्सपायरी होना है और कंपनी को पता है कि वो सेल नहीं हो रहा है और हो सकता है इतना सेल नहीं हो, तो इस सिचुएशन में कंपनी कुछ ऐसे ऑफर लेकर आएगी। और ये ऑफर जो है आपने देखा होगा कि बाय वन गेट वन फ्री है, और प्लस जो कॉम्बो में कॉम्बिनेशन में आपने कुछ ऑफर्स देखे होंगे, उसमें भी ये रहता है सर कि जैसे एक प्रोडक्ट है जिसकी बहुत ग्रेट डिमांड है, बहुत ज्यादा डिमांड है, और एक प्रोडक्ट ऐसा है जिसकी डिमांड कम है, तो ऐसे प्रोडक्ट को भी ऑफर में लाया जाता है ताकि प्रोडक्ट जिसकी डिमांड कम है वो सेल हो जाए। तो ये है कि कंपनी अपना लॉस नहीं चाहेगी, और इसके पीछे यही स्ट्रैटेजी है कि प्रोडक्ट को सेल करना है। प्लस अगर प्रोडक्ट को कंपनी को पता है कि एक्सपायर होने वाला है और अगर ये सेल नहीं हो रहा है, तो इससे बेटर है कि कंपनी कुछ अर्न कर ले। तो ये कुछ ट्रिक्स है, कुछ स्ट्रैटेजीज है जिसके थ्रू कंपनी अपने प्रोडक्ट को सेल करती है एंड कुछ ऑफर्स में लेकर आती है, जो हम और आप शायद थोड़ा नहीं समझ पाते उस चीज को, बट कंपनी दे हैव प्रॉपर थिंग्स।
जी बिल्कुल सही कहा मैडम, क्योंकि ये समझने का भी विषय है सभी के लिए कि कोई भी मुफ्त में तो देने वाला नहीं है। लेकिन ये जो आपने बिंदु बोला है कि कुछ एक्सपायर का, ये कंपनी के लिए एक समस्या का कारण बन सकता है, इसीलिए ऊपर आता है। तो ये इस बात से मैं बहुत सहमत हूँ, क्योंकि मुझे भी इसी में लगता था। धन्यवाद मैडम।
थैंक यू सर।
Anybody else from the participants? So thank you so much, Dr. Sanand Shukla sir.
हेलो।
Yes sir, please.
हेलो, नमस्ते सर।
Yes, sir, yes.
नमस्ते बैठकर सर, नमस्ते मैडम, और सभी को नमस्कार।
नमस्ते
मैडम, मेरा प्रश्न है
जी सर
कि हम एआई जो एप्लीकेशन है उसके माध्यम से हम किसी प्रोडक्ट की कॉपी को कैसे समझ, ओरिजिनल कॉपी कोई हमारी जो मूल उत्पाद है और एक कॉपी वाली सेकंड कॉपी जो उत्पाद है उसको हम पहचान सकते हैं क्या एआई टूल के माध्यम से?
सर आप ये ऑनलाइन की बात कर रहे हैं कि ऑफलाइन? लाइक प्रोडक्ट आपको अगर ऑफलाइन होगा तो आप पहचान पाएंगे कि ऑनलाइन होगा? तो
ऑनलाइन
सर अभी इसमें
Yes.
वर्क हो रहा है, मतलब एआई धीरे धीरे बहुत सारी चीजों को आइडेंटिफाई कर रही है और
जी।
न्यू टेक्नोलॉजी, मतलब अभी हम ग्रो कर रहे हैं इस लाइन में, तो मे भी बहुत
Yes.
जल्दी हमारे पास कुछ ऐसी टेक्निक्स होगी कि जिसे हम आइडेंटिफाई कर पाए.
थैंक यू मैम.
थैंक यू सर.
Nitin ji Kawadkar sir, you have raised
Sir,
your hand.
namaste.
Please.
Sir, namaste. Hello.
Yes sir, please continue. You are audible. Please.
सर, इसके पहले जो क्वेश्चन पूछा गया था उसके बारे में मैं अपना मत रखना चाहता हूँ कि कंपनी एक पर एक फ्री देती है, वन बाय गेट वन फ्री. तो कंपनी का ये भी उद्देश्य रहता है कि लोगों का उसको आदत लगे, उसका शौक लगे. जैसे अभी कोल्ड ड्रिंक्स है जो कोरोना के वक्त बिकी नहीं, तो वो क्या करते हैं कि 100 रुपए में या 80 रुपए में 2 लीटर बेच रही है. उतना शरबत उतने कम पैसे में अपने घर में शरबत भी नहीं बनता. तो कंपनी की स्ट्रैटेजी रहती है, इसलिए वो ऐसा एक पे एक फ्री देती है, ऐसा मेरा मत है.
जी सर, बिल्कुल सही बोल रहे हैं आप. कंपनी को अपने प्रोडक्ट की डिमांड बढ़ानी है और यही मेन पर्पस है जिसलिए कंपनीज ऐसे कुछ ऑफर्स लेकर आती है.
और जैसे कि जो मॉल्स वगैरह रहता है तो उस पे ना जो प्राइमरी नीड्स होती है उस पे जो कम ऑफर रहता है, लेकिन बिस्किट रहा जो सामने काउंटर पे लगाते हैं उसको बहुत बड़ी ऑफर दिखती है हमें.
जी
ये
जी
मेरा
सर.
मत रखना चाहता था. धन्यवाद मैडम.
सर प्राइमरी नीड पे ऑफर्स कम इसलिए होते हैं क्योंकि प्राइमरी नीड के प्रोडक्ट्स तो ऐसे प्रोडक्ट हैं जिन्हें पर्सन कैसे भी परचेज करेगा भी, चाहे वो किसी भी कंडीशन में रहे. बट जो कंफर्ट्स और जो लग्जरी प्रोडक्ट्स हैं उन्हें पर्सन मतलब बाद में परचेज करेगा जब उसके पास में एक्सेस मनी होगी. तो ऐसे प्रोडक्ट को सेल करना कंपनी के लिए एक मेन टारगेट होता है, इसलिए जो ऑफर्स है वो भी ऐसे प्रोडक्ट्स पे आते हैं.
या मैडम, ठीक है.
Thank you Birbal sir. Then Nitin Kawadkar
Thank you,
sir for your queries. Now I request the chief organizer of the series, Honorable Dr. M. Bedkar sir, for your words. You are welcome sir.
Thank you, Prakash sir. Today's resource person, Dr. Komal madam. Actually, we were stopped the series of national level webinars. But when communicated one madam recommending her, there was a list of so many topics with her. So I thought that this experienced resource person should deliver a talk here. And we are very happy that this topic you have presented right from how the AI is useful for data identification of consumers, because earlier there was no customers no in quantity, but after that choices everything it so detailed you have given that no one point is remaining behind to ask the questions about the AI in commerce industry. So it was very best presentation and very informative. We also get not of commerce, but we are not from the commerce side, but also we get how the technology is powerfully used. Lastly, someone was asked how to identify duplicate and original product. So till we have so many information you have given. So thank you, ma'am. And for your also, if you want to deliver a talk after few days or for after few weeks, you are always welcome. You have a list of subjects we want to listen from you also. Thank you from our organizing. Thank you, ma'am.
Thank you, sir. Thank you all.
Thank you, sir. Now I move towards the vote of thanks. Shri Kumarswami, Mahavidyalaya, Ausa, District Latur, in Maharashtra State, is organized a world record series, also an international conference, as well as today's national conference. For today's session, there was Honorable Dr. Komal Rawat ma'am on the dais, and ma'am have explained the topic AI in commerce in a very clear and detailed manner. Ma'am have explained what is meant by artificial intelligence, how it used in commerce field, as well as its different applications in business and its benefits and different challenges. Also, ma'am have explained sales improvement, price optimizations, then market segmentations, as well as targeted marketing. Now, these all things are new for us, but ma'am have explained in a very simple language, clearly, sincerely. So, I am very, very thankful to you, ma'am. You also covered all the aspects, all details in your lecture. So, thank you once again. I thank the chief organizer of the series, ideal principal of Shri Kumarswami Mahavidyalaya Ausa. Then I thanks specially Swanand Shukla sir, Jaivir Singh sir, Birbal sir, as well as Nitin Kavarkar sir for your queries, nicely interaction with the keynote speaker. And I should not forget to thanks all those dear participants who join the series regularly, motivates us. So thanks a lot to you all. We are moving only with your cooperations, and we are expected you be with us always. So thanks a lot to you all once again. Kindly request, please fill the feedback link which is given in the chat box. With the kind permission of chief organizer, I declare the session is over. Thank you so much, Dr. Komal madam, once again. Please take rest.
Thank you.
Thank you, sir.
You don't need to fill the feedback link. We will separately produce the certificate for you. Okay. It was for the
Thank you.
participant. Thank you. Thank you.
Thank you, sir.